Welcome. If you want to keep your Google Drive organized, starring files is a great way to quickly access your most important documents. But what if you no longer need a file in your starred section? Today, I'll show you how to easily remove a file from starred on Google Drive using the latest app update. Let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your device. Once you're in, look for the menu icon, which usually appears as 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner, or simply tap the Starred tab. This section displays all the files and folders you've marked as important for quick access. Scroll through your starred list to find the file you want to unstar. If you have a lot of files, you can also use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Once you've found the file, look for the 3 dots icon next to it. This icon opens a menu with more options for that specific file. Tap on the 3 dots, and a list of actions will appear. From this menu, select Remove from Starred. As soon as you tap this option, the file will be removed from your starred section. It won't be deleted from your drive, it just won't show up in your quick access starred list anymore. That's it. With just a few taps, you can keep your starred section focused only on the files you need most. If you ever want to star the file again, just repeat these steps and select Add to Starred. Regularly updating your starred list is a simple way to keep your Google Drive tidy and efficient. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tips for getting the most out of Google Drive.